Hello, good evening, my dear brethren. I hope you're doing excellently well. You're welcome to another session of Google Classroom. Today, it's more of like one of the sessions that final session with regard to quiz creation. So, I'm going to walk you through. I have already taught you how to create your class, how to create an assignment, how to create your own quiz, how to publish the quiz, how to create the quiz using Google Form Builder as well, and how you add your PDF files to the Google Drive, and how you take it from the Google Drive uh, to the Google Form. Uh, One thing that I would like to add in today's video is you can how you can see responses made by all your students. And that's what we're going to see today. I'm not going to make this video long. It's going to be a short video. Just walk you through where you can find all the responses that your students have made. If you could recall, we have created so many quizzes, and these are some of my classes that we have created some quizzes, and the students have done excellently well. They have, answered all these quizzes, and they have responded. So let's look at this class, and let's open it. I will go to classwork, then I will go to reading. For instance, now let's go to classwork and go to reading. When I go to reading, I'll click. You can see 16 turned in, meaning that 16 students have turned in their assignments. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this 16 turned in. I'll find all of them here. You can see all of them have turned in their assignment. I can click on the form. When I click on the form, it will open. And when it opens, I can just go straight to the responses. Now look at the responses here. Responses here. All the students that have responded will appear here. So you can see all the students, these are their emails. So all of them have responded. So all of them have now responded. Now you can see that. You can see their responses. Now all the students have responded. So I can now go to individuals, where I can see individual response by each student. Now this individual response, I can now release the score. When I click on this release the score, I can now click on this all respondents. Now I'm going to send email to all the students to see how well they have performed in this particular quiz. So what I would do is that just go to send emails and then release. Immediately I click on this because I've already released it to them. I don't need to release and then spam their emails with lots of messages. So I don't need to do that. But that's what is going to happen. And then you can see. Now, when you're done with that, you can come here. You can come here and click on these three dots to download all the responses in CSV files, or you can print all responses so that you can print every response. All right. So you can do that. Download your file and you can send it to your boss, or you can send it to anyone. So this is how to check on the responses of all your students, that they have responded to your own quizzes. So this is where we're going to stop today. I'm not going to make this video long. As far as creating quiz is concerned, this is another input. This is another point and a valid feature that all teachers can use in order to create their quizzes and get responses from all their students. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.